Hello everyone, my name is Isabel Trout and welcome to my video on how to make a paper hat. So our first step is to find a nice piece of paper. Now that we have our paper, we are going to fold it hot dog style and crease it right down. Next, we are going to unfold our paper and refold it hamburger style. And crease it. Next, we are going to make sure that the opening is facing the bottom like so. And now we are going to grab a corner and fold it down to the crease of our paper, right down the center. And we are going to repeat the same step to the other corner. Now that we have our paper looking like this, we are going to take this bottom portion and fold it up like this and repeat it to the other side. Just like so. Now personally, I kind of like to fold these little triangle pieces that hang off on the end together like that. You can fold them differently, tape them together, whatever works for you. And now just open it up and it's a tiny little hat. Super cute. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed my video on how to make a paper hat.